Hi guys, I found a cool candle illusion you can use with a candle. It's really cool. You can either, all you need is a lighter and a candle. You can either use a lighter or matches, but I would prefer the lighter just because it's easier. So what you want to do is you want to light the candle. Whoops. Okay, you want to light the candle. And then you want to get your lighter ready again with the flame lit up. You want to blow and put the lighter on the smoke, and it lights the candle up again. I'll do it again so you can see. Light your lighter. One more time. Try it, and it might take a few times to try to get it to start doing that. But if you do it enough times, then it'll eventually light up like that. So thanks for watching. Also, before I go, I have another channel posted. I'm gonna have another channel posted. It's called How to Make Stuff. It's the word how, the number 2, make stuff, all one word. So check that out. Instead, I'll be posting some videos on there. So see you guys.